This is a sad, tragic day here in Japan. Good evening, my name is Valerie Fabrizi. I am the Public Information Officer for the Japanese Meteorological Agency in Tokyo, Japan. We would like to express our deepest condolences for the destruction and loss of life caused by the massive earthquake and tsunami. At approximately 2:45 p.m., a 9.1 magnitude earthquake struck off the northeastern part of Japan. 30 minutes after the initial earthquake was reported, a 120-mile-wide ruptured fault has caused the subduction of the Pacific Plate, resulting in the displacement of the seafloor to rise to heights to up to 128 feet. People have been advised to seek high grounds since all low-lying areas are currently submerged with debris and incoming seawater. Waves have swept over vehicles, homes, buildings, and washed away roads and highways. The Prime Minister Naoko Kan has declared a state of emergency, and the government has ordered the evacuation of the affected coastal areas. Aftershocks will continue to be felt throughout the following days. The public is advised to avoid flooded areas. Alternative routes are currently being assessed for public safety. Due to the potential for health hazard, authorities are requesting all residents to be evacuated to the nearest hospitals outside the evacuation areas to be treated for injuries. Fire and police units have been dispatched to access all those injured and missing within the affected areas. For further information on how to protect yourself and your family, please contact the Japanese Red Cross Medical Center, the Japanese Self-Defense Team for Rescue Operations, and the Japanese Red Crescent Society for Temporary Housing and Accommodations in the designated schools, public buildings, and shelters. Thank you very much.